Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a dog. We'll start by laying down the foundational shapes. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong frame first. Use light pencil strokes for circles and ovals to represent the head, chest, and hindquarters. These initial shapes will guide your drawing, ensuring your dog has balanced proportions from the very beginning. This step is crucial for a successful outcome. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into a recognizable dog outline. Gently connect your circles and ovals with smooth lines, giving form to the neck, back, and legs. Pay close attention to the dog's unique features, like the length of its snout or the shape of its ears. A Labrador's ears, for example, are quite different from a German Shepherd's. This stage brings your dog to life. The face is where your dog's personality truly shines through. Position the eyes carefully, often about 1/3 of the way down the head, and make them expressive. The nose should be prominent and wet-looking, with a distinct shape. A slight curve in the mouth can suggest a happy dog, while furrowed brows might indicate curiosity. These small details make a huge difference in conveying emotion. Finally, let's add texture and depth to your drawing. Use short, overlapping strokes to mimic fur, following the natural direction of the hair growth. Think about where light hits your dog to add shading, creating three-dimensional form and defining muscle structure. A darker shadow under the chin, for instance, adds realism. Erase any remaining construction lines and add tiny highlights to the eyes for that final sparkle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.